Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to find out square root of any number by long division method. If you will practice, this will become short method for you, but you need to solve this type of minimum 50 questions. So after that, continuous practice will help you to get the answer quickly. So let me tell you how by long division method we can find out the square root of this three number. What you need to do, guys, your first step is to make pairs from the last. You need to make pair of digits. 69 one pair, and here also in this question also you need to make pair from the back side. This will be your first step. Here pair, but here remaining one term, so no problem at all. Then we have to take this as singleton. So first step is to make pair. Okay. Now second thing you need to do is you need to see perfect square numbers on like 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9, 4 fours are 16. So if you will take 4 fours are 16 is greater than this. So we have to take 3 threes are 9 here. How? You can say 3 threes are 9. If you will take 4 fours are 16, then that number will be greater. So here we have taken 3 threes are 9, and in quotient also you need to keep whatever terms you have taken here. Now you need to subtract this and you need to add this. Okay, you need to add this. 3 plus 3 will be 6 here. Here you need to subtract 13 minus 9, so 4, and every time you need to bring them together only, means you need to bring the pair here. Okay, so 469. Now whatever term you are selecting here, means 61 ones are or 62, whether you are selecting 2 here also you need to multiply with the same number, means 62 twos are, 61 ones are, or 63 threes are, 64 fours are. I think 63 threes are will come, 9 is at the last, so 63 threes are will not work. 67 sevens are will work, because 7 sevens are 49 and here the last term is 9. So I think, let me check here, 67 sevens are, 7 sevens are 49, 4 here, 6 are 36, 7 are 42, 46, so 469. So here 67 sevens are 469, and here you are getting remainder 0, and here we have taken 7, so that 7 also we need to keep here. So the square root of 1369 is equals to 37. So this way, guys, easily you can find out square root of any digit. So any number, let me solve here. 34, so 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, so 6 6 are 36. 36 is greater than this 34. So here I am going to take 5 5s are 25 and keep this 5 here. We have to subtract this and we have to add this. So 5 plus 5, 10 here, and subtract 14 minus 5, 9, and here both these numbers will come here because this is a group now. So every time we have to take that pair or group in the denominator. So now 1 0 1 1s are 1 will come, but that will not work. But 1 0 9 9s are also 1 81. So let me try with 109 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 8 will also come here, 9 1s are 9. So this will work, 981. So 109 into 9 will give you 981. You need to keep this 9 in the question, and here you will get remainder 0. So you can say under root 3481 will be 59. So this way you can solve this one. Let me solve this one. Here only one term is there. Don't worry, that also we can solve. 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. 9 is greater than 7. So here we need to take 2 twos are 4. 2 will come in. Here we need to subtract. Here we need to add. So 7 minus 4, 3. And this pair will come here, 384. And here we need to add 4. Now 384, so 2 twos are 4, and then 8 8s are also 64 will come at the last. So let me try with 48 into 8. 8 8 is 64, 6 carry, 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 6 38. So yes, it is coming. So 48 into 8. So you need to keep 8 here, and this will be 384. So the remainder will be 0, and you can say the square root of 784 is 28. So this way guys, you can find out square root of any number guys. And still, if you are having any doubt guys, join me on Unacademy, where I am taking free live lectures guys. Let me show you how you can join me guys. Just download Unacademy app. Every day at 9 a.m. morning I am taking free live lectures. You can join me. Download Unacademy app, register with your mobile number, select the goal JEE NEET Foundation and NTSC, and use my referral code Galaxy Coaching for free classes. Also you need to use my code Galaxy Coaching, and for plus class also you need to use this code, so that you will get 10% subscription discount. Okay, if you will use my code. After registering, just select or search my profile name Chetan Vadadia and click on the follow button near my profile, so that you will get notification of all my classes guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you so much.